Log in to the home page. Search for the products on the search bar. Review all products that come up and check for the best prices. Check for Jumia Mall tag for 100% verified products. Check ratings at the bottom. You can also check for Jumia Express for next day delivery or Jumia Global for products from overseas. Check for the products that have several offers. Click on the product you want. Check reviews at the bottom. The pictures, the seller score, number of successful sales, warranty information, and key features to make sure it matches your requirements and specifications. If there are several offers, compare offers by checking the seller ratings, warranty information, product reviews, and price. Click Buy Now. Click Continue Shopping if you want to continue shopping. Click View Cart and check out to complete purchase. Check quantity and price to ensure correct. Click Proceed to checkout. Ensure address and delivery method are selected correctly. Check timelines for different delivery time. Select payment method and click Confirm Order to complete your purchase.